Hello, this is Abong. Today I'll show you how to make delicious Soegogi Miyeok-guk, which is seaweed soup with beef. It's also called birthday soups in Korea. First, soak dried miyeok in cold water for 30 minutes and wash a couple of times under running water. Squeeze out excess water, then cut into bite-sized pieces. Pat dry beef with paper towel. Add Perilla oil in a heated pot and cook until the surface of beef gets white. Add seaweed and stir fry for 3 minutes. Then season with soup soy sauce and cook for another 3 minutes. Pour 2 cups of water in twice and bring it to boil. Once boiling, add 4 more cups of water and bring it to boil over medium-low heat. Add chopped garlic and anchovy sauce. Finally, season with salt as your taste. Serve hot with warm rice. Yummy!